Hi friends, this is Miss Ruggiero. So last week we worked on plotting and finding coordinates on quadrant 1 of the coordinate plane. This week we're taking that a step further and we are looking at coordinates and figuring out how to move them, whether it's with cardinal directions like north, south, east, or west, or up, down, left, and right movements. Okay, so we know that this is our y-axis and this is our x-axis. We always run before we jump, and we write our coordinates like this. Okay, so what I want to take note of is that in this picture there are lines that run through here. Don't worry about them. They're just bolded and they might be there to help you keep track of where your points are, but honestly they just confuse me. So don't worry about them. They're not an extra axis. Just don't worry. They're the same as the other lines. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to review what we did last week. So let's look at bus E. Okay, bus E is right here. I put a blue dot on it, and I want to find the coordinates of bus E. So I know I'm going to hop along on my x-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma, and then I'm going to jump up on my y-axis, 1. So the coordinates of bus E are 5, 1. Now I want to take this a step further and bring in our skill from this week. I want to move bus E 3 units east and figure out the new coordinates. So I have E and I'm going to move it 3 units east. Now I know my cardinal directions are north, east, south, and west. Never eat soggy waffles. So I'm moving it 3 units east. So 1, 2, 3. So bus E is now here and I want to find the coordinates. So I'm going to jump over on my x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, comma, and then jump up on my y, 1, 8, 1. Okay, let's try a different skill. So now I'm going to erase this. I want to look at bus C and bus G. They're very close together. So I'm going to start at bus C right here. And I want to figure out what the coordinates of bus C are. So let's start there. I'm going to jump over on my x-axis, 1, 2, and then up on my y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is C, bus C. Now I want to find the coordinates of bus G. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to hop over on my x-axis, so 1, 2, and then up on my y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, when I'm looking at these coordinates of C and of G, it looks like their x point is the same, but their y point, 7 and 9, is not. They're 2 apart. Now, I want to see in what direction, how many units do I have to move to get from bus C to bus G? How many units do I have to move? So let's look. We're here on C, and if we moved up 1 unit, not there yet. 2 units, yes, we would be there. So if we move 2 units up or north, we can get from bus C to bus G. And I know that's true because when I look at my y points, 7 plus 2 is going to give me 9. So that's just another way we can look at coordinate planes. Now what you guys are going to do is you're going to have a few questions where you can practice these skills. Make sure that if you're not feeling confident with this, that you go back and rewatch the videos or message me, and make sure that you join our lesson on Thursday at 10 a.m. The link is on Zoom login link on Clever and on Edsby. If you have any questions, please message me. Bye guys.